Okay, so nothing happened when I pressed the starter button, and so maybe the box is pretty corroded, so maybe the relay now has gone. What I did was, just off camera, since I wasn't getting any juice, took my wrench and shorted it out and bypassed that, and it's turned over. So the first two times I hit it, the Bendix just spun, and then it started engaging the flywheel. So it's really going to be hard to see in here. I don't know, the contrast and lack of space. But it doesn't look in bad shape, and I don't know if you're picking any of that up. I'm tempted maybe just to see if it'll work, lower you down in there, and I may do that because I may have to look at the video myself. So I'm going to turn you upside down and let's see what picks up down there. All right, did you see anything? Looks like the flywheel has got a lot of rust on it, so I don't know, spray some lube down in there. I'm thinking that's just what I'm going to do for right now and go over there. But now I'm going to focus on here. I'm thinking this box was also corroded. As you can see, I cleaned it up a lot, but it still has a lot of junk. You can see the corrosion on the relay here. I've got another relay. I don't know if it will actually fit. It looks similar, so I may pull this one out, put this one in, and then see what I get from there. But yeah, I'm not getting anything there. I put my tester light here on the starter. There's no power getting to the starter, so no wonder it wouldn't turn over. But so now I don't know what to do. I'm going to replace the starter relay here, and I don't know. I'll go ahead and pull the flywheel off and clean it up and pull the Bendix out and oil it up, or just go with it. I'm thinking I may go ahead and do that, get that off, clean it up, and take a look at it, because if it wasn't working before, then I don't know, it's probably going to end up messing up anyway later. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to take this out just real quick, see if I can get this other one in here, and at least see if I can get this thing to turn over without having to jump it off with the wrench. So alright, let me get this set up, and then I'll bring you back in a minute. Alright, I'm bringing you back in just for a minute, just to close this video out. But where I left off was going to change out the relay, because I was getting nothing pressing the start button up here. So ordered a new relay. This one, the one that I had, would not fit because of this red wire that plugs into the fuse. So the extra one I had did not have that, so it would not fit. So I had to order another one. It came in, installed it, pressed the start button, and nothing. So about to give up on that, and so I just was going to take the battery out here and started unplugging the battery. And I have these wires here. When this ski came to me, it did not have a battery, so these were just sitting out. I assumed that they went connected to the battery, and that's what I did. So just as a hunch, I unplugged these wires and just put the regular cables on, And when I did that, so it kicks over. So I don't know what these wires do, what I'm supposed to plug them into. Did they go into the electrical box here? Now, I'm not sure, but if I hook them to the battery, nothing happens. So it was a few days wasted time. The starter obviously worked as it turned over before, but it looks pretty rough, so it wasn't a lot of money. Anyway, so with that, I'll close this off. This is where I'm stopping. So I've got it to turn over, and so now I'm going to move on. I've got to get the stator back in, just close all this, get this sealed up and put back together, and then I'll move on to the stator, and that'll be another video. All right. If you're watching this and you know what I'm supposed to do with these wires, maybe I had them connected wrong in the battery, I'm not sure. If you know, put a comment down there and let me know what I need to do with these. All right, thanks.